Today I want to remind you that as your books get harder, some of the words will also get harder. But you can slow down, look at all the parts of a word, and read it part by part. Let's start by practicing this with some words and parts that you already know. Ready? What's this word? If you need a few minutes to figure out the word, pause the video. This word is eat. I see the vowels go together, E and A. Together they make the E sound. I can separate the T sound, so I have E and T. If I put them back together, we have eat. Now I'm going to add on to this word to make it longer. What's this word? The first part is eat, and the last part is ing. If we put them together, our new word, our longer word, is eating. Let's try another one. Now let's look at this word. I want you to think about how you can break this word into different parts. I'm going to show you a few different ways. Here's one way to break the word apart. Jump, ing, jumping. Let's try another way. Let's try this word. Ing, jumping. Here's one more way to break the word apart. Ping. You may have come up with another way. You may know how to read this word already, but even if you do, I want you to think of a couple different ways that you can break the word apart. Pause the video and write a few different ways in your reader's notebook and come back after you've come up with at least two. Here's one way. Green. Green. Let me show you another one. Green. Did you come up with a completely different way? Or did you try one of the ones that I wrote? Now I'm going to do one more word. It's going to be a challenging word that I want you to think about. Let's see if you can tackle a bigger challenge. Are you ready? What parts do you see in this word? If you didn't already grab your reader's notebook, I want you to pause the video and get your reader's notebook. I want you to come up with at least two different ways that you can break this word apart. Go ahead. Did you figure out what the word was? The word was wonderful. There's lots of ways you could have broken that apart. It's a good reminder for us as readers that sometimes we may need to try a word in multiple ways. Readers, today, when you are reading independently, you might want to keep your reader's notebook by you. And when you come to a word that you're not sure what it is, try to write it in your notebook and break it apart in several different ways until you figure out the word.